보고 싶어 춤에 끼고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 보면서 나 봤던 우주 비행하고 싶어 멀미약을 삼켜 나는 내면의 건지 패딩 입은 애 같아 아무 패딩이랑 똑같지 넌 그럼 어차피 난 열심히 개바빠 우린 충분히 바빠
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren Renee and I'm back with a new video. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing my very long awaited why was I finna say dorm tour? Am I in a dorm? No, I'm in an apartment room tour. That's what I was to say. Yeah. Super excited. I've been putting this video off for a year and a half, give or take. Yeah, crazy. But now I'm so glad that I waited because I added so much more to my room this year and I love it. I just love it. But yeah, let's jump on in because I don't want this video to be too long because you know, like, I hate when people like do a room tour and it's like 30 minutes. Like, don't care that much, just 15 minutes worth, you know? Maybe not even that much. We'll see. We'll see. Let's jump into it. So this is my door, and when you first walk in, this is what you see. My bed, my beloved bed. It's beautiful. Yeah. But okay, so let's start here. I got this bed frame. I mean, what? Headboard. I DIY'd it basically. It was a rug. I glued it to some cardboard and made a headboard. Yeah, and then like all these pillows were bought in various places. I know all 5 of these were from At Home. These are just regular pillows with a satin pillowcase from Quiche. I think that's it. Body pillow is from Walmart. My duvet cover is from Shein. It was like $29. And then this blanket, I'm not sure where it's from, but my grandmother bought it for me a while ago and I just use it. Yeah, love my bed. It's awesome. And then over here we have this shelving ladder, wooden shelf unit thing that I got from Amazon, and it holds my projector, some plants, all of my books that I just bought because I've been really into reading, and then my hair stuff because I don't have anywhere else to put it. I just got these. These didn't come with this, by the way. I bought these at TJ Maxx, and I just put these on here. And then right under my bed is this little seating poof woven thing that I got from Walmart. And it was like $45. Do I think it was worth $45? No. But it's really cute and I wouldn't send it back. And then here is my full body mirror from, where did I get this from? This store called Rosie's. It's like a Big Lots kind of. Yeah, kind of like that. And then we have these lights with the vines that I got from Amazon. Yeah, both of them are from Amazon and they're not together. I just pinned the vines up there with the lights. So yeah, love it. Okay, and then over here, that's my bathroom. I'll go in there in a second, but right here is like this little indent cove place. And I have my dresser here and a random lamp, mirror, cute. And then my jewelry. Oh, I love this. You probably saw in the last video, I got this. I finally filled it up with all my rings. Literally so many. And then, yeah. And then I have my jewelry, my makeup. What is this called? Organizer? Yeah. And then my skincare fridge that I rarely use. And yeah, this is just really cute. Nice little storage area. And then up here I have all the shoes that I'm not wearing right now. It's like winter shoes and towels and like, this is like a first aid kit tote. And then if I turn 180, I have my closet. Up there's winter clothes, sewing stuff, and some shoes. And then here, all the clothes I wear, Don't mind the dirty clothes. I need to do laundry always. And then I have clean clothes in these bags and this drawer. But yeah, it's in color coded order because I'm that girl. Okay, but moving on. Over here is my bathroom, and I hate turning the light on because I'll just do it. The fan comes on every time I turn the light on, but it's whatever. But yeah, here's my sink. And here's my face brush, toothbrush, what's it called? Face wash, toothpaste, hand soap, bath salts, cute stuff, candle, toilet, trash can. What is this? Toilet bowl cleaner. Both of those and that came in a set from Target. And then this towel, hand towels, also from Target. These towels, I'm not really sure where they're from, I forget. And then this is my shower curtain. Mat is from Walmart. Shower curtain is from Target. And then in the shower, I got the shower head that is magnificent. I got it from Amazon. Shout out to my roommates for putting me on. I'm gonna show you. It's like, wow, look at that. And then you can change it. Ooh, I'm struggling. But yeah, it has different settings. And a mist setting. Okay, I'm done. Okay. My hand's getting wet. But yeah, you get it. It's cool. Leaving the bathroom. Alrighty, moving on. So next to my bed, I have this cart that I got from Target. It was originally green, but I spray painted it this color to match my room. And right now, it's like very unorganized. It just has random stuff. So like my roommates and I all got Nerf guns, and you know I gotta stay ready. So I have this by my bed, and then down here is just like extra toiletry stuff, like perfume, Magic Shave, pills, you know, whatever. And then next to the cart is my industrial closet, and I love it how it looks. First of all, this is irritating me, this cord just hanging there. But yeah, the industrial closet, I put all of my soft girl vibe clothes on this here closet. And I say closet, but it's a rack. But yeah, and then I have my mules and my new Steve Madden white boots. I'm so excited. I haven't worn them yet, but I'm super excited to wear them. They are truly iconic. Yeah. Alrighty, but yeah, I just have my purses on this side. That's where I store most of my purses. If they're not up here, they're under my bed in those totes. But yeah, and then next to that, I have a trash can that hides in that little spot, and then a basket with my yoga mats, a hammock my mom bought me, and some free weights, because I used to do workouts in quarantine, but now I no longer do them. Anyway, and then this is my favorite part of the freaking room. No lie, favorite part. It is this little cove. This little reading nook, as I would like to call it. And then you turn around, there's a table. Oh my gosh, beautiful. And then lights, my life planned out on a board. And then there's a collage above it, just to soothe your visual eyes. That don't even make sense. Like, what are you talking about at this point? I don't know. But basically, I really like it. It's cute, you know, it's giving. Definitely giving. Love it. So this couch, ottoman, whatever you want to call it, is from Amazon. It was like $150. Those pillows are from Target, 20 and 20 each. I don't know where this is from. I forget. I got this like freshman year of college, and I've just held on to it for the longest. These pictures I got from Amazon in a set, along with these lights and those pictures as well in a set. I got this huge dry erase calendar from Target. And then that little table is from Five Below. This cute journal is from Target. It's so freaking cute. I've only written one page in it, but yeah, love it. And then this oil diffuser is from Amazon. And yeah, I think that is all that's over here. Alrighty, now when I face the door, right when I walk in, I have a bench that is also a shoe rack, and I keep all of my tennis shoes and like one pair of sandals over there. And I usually just put my book bag right on top as I walk in, along with my keys right here on this hook, and my jewelry on these jewelry organizers, which are really cute. They're both from Amazon. Did I include that was from Amazon? If I didn't, it is. And then on this wall, I keep it blank, but I'm gonna show why, okay? I'm gonna show why. This is why. Alrighty. It's my projector, guys. It's so convenient. Like, literally, it doesn't take up the space of a TV, but it's also big and it's clear. It's good quality. And I have Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, Amazon Prime, everything on here. YouTube. Yeah. I was gonna wait to show you. Yeah. Pretty cool. Really love it. And it just sits right on this here. Yeah, that. Why am I struggling to talk? But yeah, I'm gonna give you one last overview of my room, and then I'm gonna end the video because I think I did it. I think I did it.
Something's gonna change.
I'm totally standing in front of my projector because the lighting is great. Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what was your favorite part of my room. And if you even like it, because just because I like it doesn't mean you like it. Do you like my room? Do you? Let me know. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace.